everyone, this is Chef Deborah, and of course, I have a special guest for today. And right here beside me, Chef Rashid Khan. How are you, Chef?
I'm fine, good Deborah. How about you?
I'm good also. And of course, what we are making for today, Chef?
Today we are making together in the potato cheese croquettes. Is appetizer. It's very nice appetizer. It's mostly all people making in the hotel, in the restaurant. It's very good.
Okay. So, what he's telling is we are making a very good appetizer with cheese. Of course, what kind of cheese we are using? We are using, of course, a kiri cheese. And you know, kiri cheese is a very nice product. And thank you so much, Kiri Arabia, for giving me a special gift. Yesterday, I received this very nice hamper. And this stove is one of the gifts that I received from Kiri. As you can see, the logo of Kiri. So, thank you so much, Kiri Arabia. So, are you ready, Chef?
Yes, of course.
So, come on. We will go now to my kitchen and let's start cooking now.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
with the mozzarella. My
Wow.
God, wow, chef, so delicious, really. I like it. Thank you so much, Chef Rashid, for giving us a delicious recipe like this, you know. So good.
Welcome, chef.
So next time, I will invite you again on my next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching.